In Google Colab, I asked Gemini to create a Gradio chatbot using Gemini 2.5 Flash. And it gave me this code here. You can see this block of code labeled Gemini, and all this code right here with the code differential, everything it added in green. Originally, I just had line 1 here, a blank line, and it added all this code. I'm just going to change this Gemini model here from the preview model to simply Gemini 2.5 Flash. It runs the Gradio chatbot, and here it is down below. There's some suggestions for sample prompts that it gives us, but I'm going to ask it to tell me about Google AI Studio. In about 15-16 seconds, it provides this explanation: a web-based development environment to prototype, experiment, and then it lists the key features and functionality, access to Gemini model. This is pretty good. You can start building your own chatbot and AI tools immediately with Gemini. You don't need an extensive coding background. If you want to see a basic tutorial on how to get started, let me know in the comments. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.